Self-healing is a powerful process that allows individuals to recover from emotional wounds, trauma, and difficult experiences through their own inner resources and intentional practices. At its core, self-healing involves three essential steps: recognizing your pain and emotional wounds, understanding where these feelings come from, and actively working towards your emotional and mental well-being. Self-healing is built on three fundamental principles that work together to create lasting emotional wellness. These are self-awareness, self-compassion, and acceptance. First is self-awareness, the ability to identify your emotions, recognize your triggers, and understand your patterns of thinking and behavior. This means paying attention to what you feel and why you feel it. Second is self-compassion, treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a good friend. This means being gentle with yourself during difficult times rather than being self-critical. Third is acceptance, acknowledging your experiences, emotions, and current situation without judgment. This doesn't mean giving up or being passive, but rather facing reality as it is so you can work with it effectively. It's crucial to understand that self-healing is a journey, not a destination. Setting realistic expectations means recognizing that healing takes time, has ups and downs, and requires patience with yourself. While self-healing is powerful, it's important to understand its relationship with professional therapy. Self-healing is a complementary process that works alongside professional help, not a replacement for it when serious mental health support is needed. To put self-awareness into practice, there are several effective exercises you can try. Journaling helps you process thoughts and emotions on paper, while mindfulness meditation teaches you to observe your thoughts without judgment. Body scanning helps you notice physical tension and emotional responses in your body. These foundational principles and practices create the groundwork for effective self-healing. By developing self-awareness, practicing self-compassion, and embracing acceptance, you build the essential skills needed for emotional recovery and personal growth. Now that we understand the foundation of self-healing, let's explore 6 practical steps you can implement in your daily life to support your healing journey. Step 1. Establish healthy coping mechanisms. These are positive activities that help you manage stress and difficult emotions in constructive ways. Step 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These techniques help you stay present, reduce stress, and develop greater awareness of your thoughts and emotions. Step 3. Build a strong support system. Connect with friends, family, or support groups who can offer encouragement, understanding, and companionship during your healing journey. Step 4. Set healthy boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy or compromise your well-being. Boundaries protect your mental and emotional health. Step 5. Challenge negative thought patterns. Identify negative thoughts and reframe them into more positive and realistic ones using cognitive restructuring techniques. Step 6. Prioritize self-care. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat nutritious foods, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential for healing. Remember, self-healing is a journey, not a destination. These 6 practical steps provide a foundation for your healing process. Start with 1 or 2 steps that resonate with you and gradually incorporate others as you feel ready.